All new 8 Hitman stabilizer improves balance and reduces noise and vibration. Features quick connect system of trophy ridge stabilizers with a target carbon design. Fast removal of the stabilizer for convenient transport and storage. Total weight is 6.5 ounces and comes pre-assembled with 2 removable 1-ounce weights. Includes wrist strap, mounting bar, and colored rings for bow personalization. Top reviews from the United States. Love at first flight. I did not think it would make that much of a difference, but let me tell you it does. Knocked my arrow and it felt right, aimed and shot from 10 yards. Dead nuts, 15 yards, dead nuts went up to 45 and it was still accurate. Grouping was a bit bigger than 20 but still great. Less vibration and it's a tad bit quieter. All in all 5 out 5.